Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today I want to talk about the reverse light switch or backup light switch, depending on what you want to call it. This is a 1999 Dodge Viper ACR. Should be the same thing for all T56 transmissions, BorgWarner, Tremix. I know some BorgWarners came in the Gen 2s, I believe, but the T56 came up until 1992 to 2010 Dodge Vipers. Could be wrong, but feel free to always verify that, but, you know, I believe that's the same thing. It's relatively pretty simple, and a lot of people complain or have problems where the reverse lights, they're intermittent, they stay on, they don't come on, they stay off, they never come on. But the reverse light switch or backup light switch, these do tend to fail. Sometimes you have electrical errors, problems, connections, but I'll try to replace this, guys.
So as you can see, here is the old connector. It does sit on the passenger side or the right side towards the front of the transmission. It is in the middle range, as you can see. Alright, so after you take off the connector, as you can see, you'll go ahead and put your 22mm wrench or socket on there. Just a precaution, sometimes people have experienced that these do tend to break off inside the transmission. So just take your time, be cautious, don't try and force it. You know, there's not a lot of room, so if it does break off, you might have to actually drop the transmission. I know some people have had some luck where they use a hex key or an Allen wrench to actually get it out, but just take your time, use the wrench or socket, and it should come right out.
Alright, so as you can see, I do have the old one out next to the new one. It's always good just to make sure they are the same, line them up. As you can see, they should be 100% the same thing, alright? Terminals inside are the same. Now we're just bolting that new one, alright?
Alright guys, so you have the old one out, and you're probably wondering what's the easiest way to go ahead and put this in. What I like to do is actually put it in the wrench to actually get just the tip in the hole, and then hold it with your hand and start to thread it. Alright, so you put the new one in, and you are going to have to torque this down. My Viper repair manual does say 34 Newton meters or 25 foot-pounds of torque. So go ahead and torque that down with your 22mm socket or tool. And then don't forget to put the new connector on, or old one if you still have it and it hasn't been damaged or anything.
Alright guys, so I'll just show you that the reverse lights do work. Won't start it, but put it into reverse so you can see. And there you go. Reverse lights do work. So hopefully the video did help you out. It's not too hard to do. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you like the video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, thanks guys.